Hi, my name is Robert and I'm a programmer who wrote Buyer Auction Manager or BAM. BAM is a Windows software for eBay buyers. It will help you find good deals on eBay and save you money. It's a better, smarter, and a more powerful way to shop on eBay. In this video, I want to give you a quick overview of the application and show you how to use it. To find out more about BAM, visit my website at mybam.com. Let's get started with the demo. After you start the application and you log in, you'll see a home screen. This is just a web page that provides news, updates, and information on how to use the software. At the beginning, I said that BAM will help you save money on eBay. It does so using three very powerful modules. They're called Win It Now, Ending Now, and Sniper. Win It Now is the first module that I created. It will help you save money on eBay by searching for newly posted Buy It Now items. It's very easy to get started using Win It Now module. All you have to do is provide your search keyword. Let's say I want to search for digital camera. I provide my keyword and I start updating. The software brings back the newly posted auctions. It shows them in a grid and gives you some information about the listing, like item ID, the title, the price, when it was listed, and when it was found by the software. From here, if you think that something is a good deal, you just double click on it and it opens it in a browser. You can review the listing here. If you like it, you can just purchase it directly through eBay before somebody else has a chance to buy it. The two buttons on the top, Manage Item and Watch Item, those integrate with Sniper. In here, I'm just going to add this one to a watch list. As you can see, the new listings are added on the top and just continue scanning. I have it set up for 2 seconds to scan every 2 seconds. You can change that in a setup section. Next module is called Ending Now. It's similar to Win It Now. You provide your search keyword. Let's say I want to search for silver jewelry and I want to exclude earrings. I would start updating. But here it brings the auctions that are about to end. It gives you a number of bids and also shows you the time left. If you notice, the time left gets updated every 10 seconds. If it's less than 60 seconds, it shows in red, and when the auction actually ends, you're going to see it in gray. The same here. If you like an item, you double click on it, and here you can just directly place a bid on eBay, or you can schedule a snipe. If you've noticed, up to this point I did not have to save my eBay credentials. Those first two modules don't require eBay information unless you want to integrate with Sniper. To set up your eBay credentials, you would go to Setup section and provide them here. Let me just make sure that I typed my password correctly. Okay, I saved the settings. Your password is encrypted and it's stored in the local database on this computer only. I never send your eBay credentials to my website or anywhere else outside of eBay. Once you have your eBay credentials set up, you can actually use the Sniper. So let's say you like this item, you don't want to buy it now, but you want to schedule a snipe. So you would do Manage Snipe, and it opens this Snipe Manager. Here it gives you information about the auction, like the seller, the price, shipping, how many bids, and when it's ending. Let's say I want to place a bid on this one. I want to snipe it for $81. I use my eBay account that I just set up and I give it a snipe buffer. This is the number of seconds before the auction ends that the snipe should be placed. I snipe, I get this confirmation. I am sure I want to place this bid, and this schedule a snipe for me. Let me add an item to a watch list. You can do the same thing through Ending Now module. Let's say I just want to add it to a watch list. So now if I go to my Sniper module, you can see that I already have some item. The one in blue is the one where I have an actual snipe scheduled. The other ones I'm just watching. So let's say I want to schedule a snipe for this one. Here you can just double click to bring the snipe manager. If you're watching an item, you're going to have an ability to snipe it. So let's say I want to pay $27 for this, and I snipe it. If you already have a snipe schedule and you double click, that allows you to remove the snipe or edit the item. So this one I'll change my mind. I don't want to snipe it. I will remove it. So you can see that it's black again. On the left side you have a filter criteria. You can filter out some items that you don't want to see, like the ones that ended. In this case I don't have any, but those would not be shown in the grid. You can add items to Sniper by just copying and pasting an item number from eBay and going to manage item, or you can also use the provided browser. I'm going to use a browser now. I'm going to minimize the navigation, and let's say I want to look for Sony MP3 player, and I want to search newly listed items. Let's say I like this one. I go to manage item and I schedule a snipe. Let's say I want to pay $5 for it, and I want to change my buffer to 10 and add some memo. I'm not going to go over snipe groups here. I will cover them a little when I get to a setup section. So I schedule a snipe, and as you can see, it's scheduled and shows in my sniper grid. Finally, the setup section. This will allow you to save some time. You can save preferences here. The first tab is for eBay settings, where you can set up your login credentials. You can choose a different global site, or you can change the grid highlight color. The next tab is Widget Now settings. Here it lets you customize that module, including which columns you want to see, how big you want them to be, and their position. The search keyword setup is a very useful feature. In here you can actually provide your search keywords and save them, so you don't have to type them every time. You can also limit your search by minimum or maximum price, or by eBay category ID. Ending now settings, they're very similar to the Widget Now. Again, you have your keywords you can save. And finally, sniper settings. You have some customizations here. You have a snipe groups. What snipe group is, let's say you want to buy one MP3 player, and so you would create a group and set up a snipe limit of 1. And when you're scheduling snipes, you would schedule like 3 different actions to snipe. The first action that was actually 1, that would be the one that brought the snipe limit to 0, and all the other action you had in this group would be cancelled. That wraps up the demo of the application. To find out more about Buyer Action Manager, visit my website mybem.com. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can contact me through this email. Thanks for watching this demo, and I hope you found it helpful.